Good morning, Mr. Servik. So you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. So you are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. Okay. On November 22nd, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle after observing it travel at a high rate of speed, 70 to 75 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour zone. Upon contact with the defendant, the officer noticed the defendant with red, watery eyes and a cooler of an alcoholic beverage. The officer further saw the defendant was slow to react and was swaying side to side. Standard field sobriety test was performed, HGN 4 out of 6, walk and turn 3 out of 8, well neck stand 3 out of 4. The DIC was red and the defendant consented to breath. The results were .153 and .155.
Got it. Any pride?
Asterisk. This opening case is already on shaky ground for the defendant. A breath test showing 0.153 and 0.155 is almost twice the legal limit, which gives prosecutors powerful evidence. But remember, a high BAC doesn't automatically end the case. Every DWI still has to go through the legal process. Do you think cases like this should always end in a conviction?
To be honest. Okay. Mr. Servik, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Does he have a Texas driver license? No. Do you have liability insurance in your name? Sir. All right. I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds. You understand? Absolutely. I see that you have a lawyer. Good job on having a lawyer. So I will waive your appearance. So you don't have to waste your time coming to court. Just stay in touch with Mr. Nelson, and they'll tell you when you have to come back to court. I'll have you sign a reset with Victoria. We'll have you get your with Fleischer for your bond conditions, and then you're welcome to wait for your lawyer back. All right, please.
Next judge
is it Crystal Rollins?
Rollins. Yes.
Ma'am, you charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you, ma'am.
Yes, Judge. On November 20th, 2024, the officer was dispatched in regard to an intoxicated driver. The caller stated the defendant's motor vehicle was failing to maintain a single marked lane and almost hit a wall and struck multiple curbs. The caller pursued the vehicle for approximately 5.36 miles before the officers arrived. Upon arrival, the officer made contact with the defendant, who stated she was sorry and advised she did not know where she was. The officer observed the defendant with unsteady balance and appeared disoriented. Standard field sobriety tests were performed, HGN 4 out of 6, and the defendant was unable to follow instructions on the walk and turn and refused to conduct the test. DICs were read but refused. Blood search warrant was signed and executed.
Okay, any priority to be honest?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Rollins, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. Do you have a valid Texas driver license?
Yes.
Do you have liability insurance in your name?
Yes.
Okay. You run a license? All right. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. You understand?
Yes.
I'm not asking much. Just don't consume alcohol or illegal drugs. That's it. Now, I see that you do have a lawyer. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but just stay in touch with Ms. Turner and she'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. For now, we'll just have you sign a reset, get with Fleischer for your bond conditions, and then you're welcome to wait for your lawyer back. Okay?
Thank you.
Please. Come up, Mr. Barahona.
Yeah, the BVR, but looking at the whole case as well, even if he wins the BVR, he still has a case pending. We've worked out a deal on the case where we hope you would accept the plea deal.
Yeah. Is it 30 days? Yes.
Let's do that.
You know, the thing that you need to understand is from now on, you won't be with me anymore. You will be in felony court. No matter how old you are, no matter where you go, no matter what you're doing, the only thing that officers look at, they look at you, they smell you, and they look at your record. And if they see anything funky, all you're going to end up doing is in felony court. And if you thought it was bad here, wait till you get to felony court. It doesn't get easier. It only gets worse. And over there, they have a lot more resources than I do, and they can keep you for a long time. So if I were you, even if you've had a sip, I wouldn't get into a car because you're taking a humongous risk, and it's not worth it. You understand?
I understand.
The agreement that you guys have worked out is 30 days in jail. You worked out this agreement where, do your time, you get out. This is another proverbial slap on the wrist because it's not like you're doing that much time. But the problem is that you're young. I mean, what are you, 33 now, 35?
27.
27, and now you have 2 DWIs on your record. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. Shh! If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, there's no going back. Is this what you want to do?
Yes.
You plead to the offense.
Guilty.
I'll find you guilty, send you to 30 days in jail. How much credit does he have? It's 4 days credit. So is he going to go in now?
Judge, I would request you allow him to turn himself in before 6.
Okay, I'm okay with
Would
it.
you do that? Okay.
Just don't use and don't show up late, because if you show up at 6:01, 6:05, they're not going to take you, and we're going to have a whole other.
Asterisk. This might be the biggest takeaway from the entire hearing. The judge's advice is simple. An Uber is far cheaper than a DWI conviction. Between jail time, license suspension, fines, and a permanent record, one bad decision can have consequences for years. Do you think tougher penalties actually stop repeat offenders, or is education the better solution?
Set of issues. So just remember, don't get into a car. It's not hard.
Yeah.
An Uber, $20, $30, anywhere you want to go, man. No matter how, start using that. All right.
All right.
I'm going to suspend your license for a year. I have to suspend it. I'm going to do it for a year. Don't drive until you get a license. All right. And then we'll just have you turn in by 6 p.m.
Judge, so he'll turn himself in by 6. The second thing is, would you consider waiving the Supermax fine? I'm appointed on his case.
I get it, but I mean, it's how do we,
Well, I think one of the options is if he's been appointed, he's been found indigent, so he should be found indigent for the purposes of that also.
I continue to reward Mr. Barahona when he's continued to violate one way or the other.
Well, it's not a reward, Judge. He's indigent. He's indigent. Judge, he qualifies. He's indigent.
What do you do for a living? You work. You're a painter.
I'm a painter.
Yeah. How much money do you make a month?
It depends on the season, from November to February. It's usually very slow and starts to pick up around springtime. And I'm an independent contractor, so it just depends how that year goes for me.
What do you think?
I think it will just defer to the court.
I'll tell you, Mr. Barahona, you're not going to see me anymore. You pick up any new cases, you're going to be up there. All right, I'll waive it. Okay. All right, man. All right, good luck to you, Mr. Barahona.
Thank you.
Hold on. He has an enhancement.
I don't think the enhancement changes the deal, though, Judge.
It might be just the prior date to be on. That's it. Not to make it 90. Ooh. Is it true that you had a prior DWI in 2019?
Yes.
Okay, true to the enhancement. It's not going to make it 90.
Right, it's
Okay.
still
All right.
30. Okay.
Okay, good luck, sir.
Thank you.